Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and today I'm going to show you the digital kit of this month for Cara Branding Creations, my design team project, and it's called Farmhouse Journal Kit. And this is the first page. We have the stacked animals here with the cow, a sheep, a pig, and a rooster. I just love that. I think that's so cute. Here we have a rooster with butterflies and flowers and a lemon. And on the back, we have roosters here on the back, which I didn't print this full page because I did an 8x10, so I'm going to make a smaller journal out of it. And here we have the stacked animals again with the windmill, and it looks like an old barn possibly of wood, and it has walking in the lane. So I really like this page here too. This is a beautiful kit that Cara has done, and I have the same backing page here. On this we have some vegetables: lettuce, tomatoes, corn, cauliflower, peas, and it also has walking in the lane with some teal background and some spotted ink of black ink. The background of it is pears and sunflowers. Here we have a collage page of like ads, of farm ads. So this is a very pretty little collage page that Cara has done. And I also have the pears and the sunflowers on this. Here, I like this page too. We have the roosters that's facing each other. We have summer right here with a definition on this side. And you have a really light teal in the background, a rooster here and a rooster here, and spotted teal here. And here is the teal roosters on the background page here. On this one, I like this page too, which I like most of the pages. You have a rooster in a wheelbarrow with a big sunflower and the windmill. Over here you have a rooster with like the chicken wire that you would put your chickens up in. And like in the background real light you have like ledger paper. So this is a pretty background here too. You have some pots here. So I like this page here too. And I have the teal rooster background here. Here is the barn. It says the most memorable days end with the dirtiest clothes. And my husband, he has worked on a farm since he's been 14. And he just retired from the farm because his back has finally given out. He's 40 now. And I mean, farm work is really hard. He did beef Angus cattle, and and he grew crops of soybean and corn. So I can relate to this. He would come home with very dirty clothes, and before I got hurt at work and I could help him out on the farm, twice a year we would gather up all the cattle and give them shots. And yeah, there's my job was just to draw up the needles and work the head catch. So yeah, just doing that, you got very dirty, working in the mud and the poo. So yeah, it's very dirty job. So in the background we have the wood, that it could be possibly like the barn wood, with this old rickety fence that I think is just absolutely gorgeous with the barn. And I love barns because when we travel, I'll have my husband stop on the side of the road because if there's a old barn that I like, I'll stop and take pictures of the barn because I love barns. And I will just blow them up and put them in frame, picture frame, and hang them in my living room. And here we have a yellow digital that she has made, and it is like, it's like a sciencey digital for a background page on it. And here we have a bunch of flowers, blue flowers and white flowers, butterflies. Have a lemon up here with black ink splotches all over. So this is a very pretty page here too. And on the back of this is a background page of the vegetables and some fruits and some flowers. So that's the background page of this. So that is all the digital pages that you get. Now here is all the ephemera. These are the small tags. You get 6 small tags. You have 3 black and white ones, and then the 3 here. So you have the stacked animals. Now you have the butterfly here, and the windmill here. You have like a plaid here with a sunflower. Here you have the chicken wire with the rooster here, and here you have the barn background, the barnwood background with like a doily here. And on this is the 3 large tags with the animals stacked on top, the butterfly and the windmill. And here are the black and white ones with the barnwood and the doily, the chicken wire and the rooster, the checkered plaid, and the sunflower with a label. Here is the tag that is layered. So you'll take this tag here and then put this on here and then put this on top of this to make a layered tag, and then you have all of this ephemera here. So you have some sunflowers, some labels, some roosters, flower, and a button here. So, and this is like a oh, I just said it earlier. Oh my goodness. It's like you balance out things. A ledger. It's like a ledger page is what it is. I'm sorry. I told you I have a memory of a dead fish. So here you have 2 pockets with this black and white plaid, and then this is the yellow that you have the background page of before with like the sciencey. It has like the science things of your background page that you had before. So you have 2 pockets here. Here are your journaling cards. You have some farm equipment here like shovels, pitchforks, rakes, pickaxes, and all of that. Here is one of the pictures that you have that she's turned into a journaling card with the rooster and the wheelbarrow and the windmill and the sunflower. Here she has the farmhouse label with the background with the teal with the chickens in it. Here's a teal one with the chicken wire in it with the label. Here you have the stacked animals with the windmill and the barnwood in the back. And here you have the vegetables with the butterfly and flower. So those are your journaling cards. And here you have lots of ephemera. You have some labels, some milk caps, butterflies, the stacked animals, roosters, sunflowers. These are seed packets, the fruit grower's guide. These look like old mason jars here. Hybrid or crossbred plant. So yeah, this is a beautiful ephemera. And these were her Friday freebies. So here you have a rooster tag, a small one, and then you have a larger tag here with the rooster on it. You have a postcard here and a postcard here with the rooster on it. Have a pocket here with some roosters on it, and a sunflower and a label. You have some labels here with some buttons. So that's the Friday freebie from June the 18th. And June the 11th is the Friday freebie with the envelope here with the corn, some butterflies. This is a sheep with some flowers, it's a song on it, some music sheets, Baltimore garden borrows with like the wheelbarrow on it, some milk jugs, and here you have little rooster ephemera. So I think this Friday freebie here is gorgeous. It was on June 11th, and you can get this all free on her if you join her Facebook group, and it's called Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and I'll have it linked to my description box. And this is her Friday freebie on June the 25th, and I am going to use these two in this journal because this is an old grist mill. Here's the grist mill, and I think it would go good with the farms. And then I think this, you have a rooster here, and this would look very pretty because it looks like a farmhouse. And then these two here, you have the beautiful purple flowers with the golden eagle on top that says best wishes. And then here you have a beautiful stream or river with a person on it, and a beautiful house with the blue background, and then the teal surround border. And these are just where I blew them up because I'm going to make something else. So I will have this listed in my Etsy shop, or listed in my where you can get in her Etsy shop to get this digital, in my description box. And I will also have in the description box a code that you can get 30% off listed in my description box. So look at my description box and look for the code that I put on there for you to get 30% off on digitals for watching this video. And I will come back and show you what I've did with these beautiful digitals because, like I said, my husband's a farmer. I love farm. I love a farm. I hated it whenever his grandmother and him and his father, all three, they owned the farm, and his grandmother's health was getting bad, and then his health was getting bad, and his father just wasn't cooperating with things. So they decided to sell the farm. They had a 600-acre farm in Tennessee, and they, like I said, they did beef cattle. It was Black Angus, and I really loved it in the early spring when all the babies were born. And he cut hay, and he grew soybean, and he grew corn, and sometimes he would grow wheat. And there was a big, huge stream on his farm. I mean, his farm was very beautiful. I made one year for his birthday, me and my daughter surprised him because I love taking pictures, and we made him a picture book of the farm. So one day I'll have to do a video of it and show you all of what the farm looked like. if I can find the book. I don't know what he's done with it. It's probably in my living room on the bookshelf. You can probably hear him laughing in the background because he's really loud. He laughs really loud. He's funny when he laughs. He's probably watching something funny. But yeah, head on over to Cara Brandon's Etsy site. Order this digital. It's a gorgeous kit. I love this kit. And I will show you what I make before the end of the month. And I will give you the discount code in my description box. I will also put the link to her Facebook group in my description box, and put the link of the Etsy shop in my description box, and Cara Brandon Creations. Look for her YouTube channel, and remember to do your happiness and spread those smiles. And I hope you all are enjoying your summer. And sorry for my friends in Australia where you're having winter. I hope you're not having too bad of a winter. And hopefully that since it is winter that you're getting some crafting done. But to all of the rest of my subscribers, go out, have some fun, get some sunshine, enjoy your summer. Do something this summer that you've never done before, that you've always wanted to do. I mean, just go on a hike, go look at some kind of scenery. I mean, my things to do is I love nature. Like I said, I love barns, I love rock formations, I love streams, waterfalls, anything like that. So, nature to me is just awesome. I would rather go and do something with nature than go to any concert or anything like that or anything. I just love nature. So go out and do something that you've never done and that you would like to do, that has been on your bucket list for a long, long time, and enjoy it yourself this summer. And have fun, be safe, spread those smiles, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.